What's good, YouTube? It's Elon, and I'm back again with another video. And today for you guys, I just wanted to do like a little quick update on my product, like a product update video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because, you know, you guys ask me like all the time, what's the best moisturizer, butter, what's the best oil, what's the best pomade, etc., etc. And also, you guys, I realized that I never really showed you guys all my products, when I use them, how I use them, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys all my products: butters, oils, pomades, moisturizers, everything I use, even shampoos and conditioners. Alright, you guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so first we're gonna start with moisturizer. First up is this moisturizer right here. This is PB to Go Legendary Bluberry Fuego moisturizer. This is a light moisturizer. It's an oil-based moisturizer. I used it a lot, but I still have a lot left. I don't use it as often as I used to. I like to use this on fresh cuts. It's a good moisturizer, adds nice shine and moisturize your hair real good. Next, you guys, is my daily moisturizer. You guys already know, you guys see this in all my vids. I use this almost every single day, wolfing or not wolfing. This is the As I Am Double Buttercream. Great moisturizer. You can get this at any beauty supply store. As you can see, it's about halfway done. I can't remember when I bought this. I bought this sometime in the beginning of the year, so it will last you a long time. If you have coarse hair, you guys know that this is a good moisturizer. I recommend this for anybody with coarse hair as a daily moisturizer. Honestly, this right here is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I don't really use it like this because for coarse hair, it kind of over curls our hair crazy. So I don't really use it like that. I honestly don't even know if it's still good. I haven't used this in a while, like 2 to 3 years, but I still have it though. When I did use it though, I like to use it after I wash and style. But if you have coarse hair, you could probably still use it, but just don't use too much because this will over curl your hair. I only have 2 butters. I have this one right here and the Go Drip butter by PB to Go. If you guys don't know where to get his products, I'll leave the link in the description to his website. I had this for a while. It's a good butter. Very, like, the consistency is very nice. Like, it's not light, but it's not like real hard and whatever. You can see, look, this is like the consistency of it. It has a nice consistency, nice hold, nice shine, great smell. I recommend this product. This right here is Royal Thickening Butter. Again, this is by PB, but this is not on his website no more. This is when he used to sell it on Facebook. You have to hit him up in the email, whatever, to get this. You could probably still get it today, I think, from the Royal website. It's Royal Thickening Butter. I like to use this on fresh cut. It kind of like grows your hair out fast. It makes your hair thick. If you have like light spots in your head or whatever, this will like make your hair grow more fuller in those areas. So I like to use this when I get like a 1.5 or 2 and my hair is low. Like, I like to use this. That was the butters. Now let's go to the oils. Up again, we're gonna come with some PB oil. This is PB to Go Legendary oil. This is a good natural oil. It's light. It smells good. It got like a Fruit Loop kind of smell. I like the smell. As you can see, there's really not that much left in here. I don't know if you could tell. It's only a little bit left. I recommend this oil. I also have this oil. This is tea tree oil. This is a great oil to use. Works for dry, itchy scalp. It has vitamin E, aloe vera, and it fights fungus. So this is a good oil. If you have itchy scalp, dandruff, or whatever, you can apply this oil. And lastly, you guys, another oil I have is this right here. The Essentials Wave Curl Enhancer Oil. It has a lot of natural products in it. Black castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil. Add shine. It has a nice smell too. I just got this recently, so I didn't really use that much, but this is also a good oil. Of course, you guys know that I like to use coconut oil too, so I would definitely recommend that, but I ran out of it, so I don't have no more right now. Now, if you're a beginner and you're starting out, I recommend you use this. If you just want to get your waves in there, you're not really worried about natural products, you don't have good money for natural products, and you're just trying to get your waves, use 360 Style Pomade. Now, I only use this when starting out, so I really haven't even used that much. You can see it's still a lot in there. I still have it, even though I don't use it. I just didn't throw it out yet. And this is really cheap. You can get it from any beauty supply store. You see, look, it was only $4. Very cheap pomade. Once you get your waves in there and you want to switch to something natural, a natural pomade, you could use this right here, Cold Label Wolfen Pomade. It's a natural pomade you can use for your hair. It's real light. It's real light. Like, you wouldn't even think it's a pomade. That's how light it is. But I don't really use this in my hair. I like to use this in my crown. I don't use pomade in my hair at all. So I like to use this in my crown when I get my crown isolations. So lastly, you guys, I'm going to show you guys my shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo, I like to use this right here, Shea Moisture Shampoo, Curl and Shine Shampoo. It's a great shampoo. I've been using it for a while now, like about a month or two, and it's been giving me great results. So I like that, and then I also like their conditioner too. These are the only shampoo and conditioners I use right now. I used to use this brand right here, but I ran out of the shampoo, so all I have left is the conditioner. But this is the brand right here, OGX. I stopped using it though because I heard that it's not natural, which I thought it was, but I stopped using it because it's really not natural. But this was another one I was using. That's basically it for all my products. That's my product update. I don't have a lot of products like I used to because I don't really like using too much stuff in my hair no more. I just want to keep it real simple. But those are my products, you guys. I also will be doing a durag update and also a brush update to show you guys all my durags and all my brushes. That will be in a separate video. If you guys want that video, like this video. Let's get this video to 100 likes if you want those videos to drop. And also comment and subscribe, you guys, if you haven't already. As always, you guys, stay wavy. Till next time.